Stephen King steps in to save the regional review section of his local newspaper. On January 11, King shared that the Portland Press-Herald, a prominent newspaper in his home state of Maine, would no longer publish locally written reviews of books set in the northeasternmost U.S. state. The 71-year-old author tweeted, "Tell the paper don't do this. Many of the writers depend on those reviews to buy bread and milk." More than 8,000 fans retweeted the message. In response, the paper challenged King to help raise the funds needed to pay for the reviews, which cost thousands of freelance dollars. The newspaper tweeted, "If you can get 100 of your followers to buy digital subscriptions to the Press-Herald, we will reinstate the local book reviews immediately." By January 14, that goal was met. Almost 250 people had signed up, paying $15 for 12 weeks.